Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the broken door handle on Nissan Altima 2005. I guess it's the same thing between 2002 and 2000, I think 6. So that's the old one that broke, and this is the new one that I'm going to replace. I bought this piece on eBay, I think for like 20 something or 30 bucks. So the first step is to remove the cover from the door. We need to remove a couple of screws. One of them is right here. The other one is behind that cover. So we need to pop that cover and get to the screw. Okay, so gotta take this one. There is also a light on the bottom, so we need to pop that out and remove the connector. You also have to remove this panel so we can get to the inside, and this is the screw that we need to remove before we can remove the whole panel. And we also have to remove this piece before we can remove the door. And now we should be able to easily remove the whole cover. There we go. And now we need to remove the cables that connect the door handle. Now we need to remove all the screws and the connectors. I'm not gonna go into detail about it. You can figure it out. So now I have removed the screws that are here on the top. Do not remove the ones on the bottom, like this, because those actually hold the regulator. This one and this one, this one and this one, they hold the regulator, so do not touch them. Those three hold the motor, don't touch them either. You have those aligning pins, which I'm going to push from the back to remove the panel. So now you need to remove this sticker right here, and there's another sticker right here, which they will allow me to remove the windows. I need to lower the window now and remove it. So now temporarily I need to reattach the connector for the window so I can lower it down, and I need to lower the window until I see. Perfect. So right now you can see the bolts that hold the window. Now I need to remove them so I can slide the window out. Okay, now I can slide the window out. Or maybe I can just, I'm going to maybe secure it. Actually I'm gonna remove it, that's fine. Perfect. Now I'm gently pulling all the panel. I started by pushing behind those two pins, and I'm gently trying to remove it because there is like a foamy sticky thing that goes around, and it's old, that's why it still sticks. Now, okay, so I've just decided that I'm going to leave the panel with everything attached right on the side of the car. So now I need to remove this metal piece from the door handle, remove this screw, and the other side that is on the is hiding right through this hole. So you open this, and there should be, there's the screw. So to remove this part, you just move it up and then you pull it out. So I have removed all the screws. Be careful, this piece of metal kind of is easily bent, so you don't want to mess it up. And then there is a little plastic thing that is kind of like catching this metal part, so you need to push it up, and then we're gonna be able to remove the old broken handle. Okay, so I pushed it from the back, and then this just comes out. Now I can put a new one. See, and this piece of metal is a little bit bent, so I'm just going to make it a little bit more straight so it doesn't break. Here's my new handle. I'm gonna slide it from the top, then it will have to click on the bottom. Okay, this thing clicked. I have everything lined up, and basically now all you have to do is put everything back again in reverse. Okay, piece of advice during your reinstallation process: if you're going to pull this entire rod too high, it will come off the assembly on the lock. Then all you have to do is remove that lock by removing those 3 screws and this one on the side, and then you can put it back together. Otherwise it's gonna take you forever. A tip for reassembly: when you're gonna put this panel back, pay attention to those pins. Those are alignment pins. Make sure they're going to fit through the alignment holes. So I'm gonna align those 2 first, put those 2 screws, make it tight, make sure that right now it's snapped, and then I'm going to reinstall all the other screws. Okay, so my panel is installed again. I lowered the window again, installed it to the tracks. Window is up, all the screws are tied. So basically that's the only step that is left, is to put the inside panel, and basically I'm done. Okay, so the whole process took me probably hour and a half, and I hope I helped you successfully finish that project and you already have a new fixed door handle on your 2005 Nissan Altima. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.